Hey guys, I just wanted to throw together a quick video, talk a little bit about Big Lake State Park. We went there a couple of weeks ago. We've been there before. It's a great park. We really enjoy it. It's in northwestern Missouri, near Mound City, if you're familiar with the area. And it's a state park, like I said, but the campground in there is really nice. They've got cabins, they've got primitive sites, they've got some really nice concrete pad pull-through sites that are super level. Out for a little walk with the dog. I want to show you this campsite, this campground though. There's some gravel sites there that are pull-throughs. This one's paved, but then over here they've redone all these sites, so they're really nice, big concrete, super level concrete pads. Just really nice campsites. And then there's a lake over there. You can kind of see fishing and a little bit of boating and all that. So yeah, super nice. This is a place we enjoy. We've been here 3 or 4 times now, and always really enjoy coming here. So this is Big Lake State Park in northern Missouri, and it's right on the edge of the lake there. Now, Big Lake is, even though the name is Big Lake, it's not a huge lake. It's not a big lake. It's actually an oxbow lake, so it was formed in one of the curves of the Missouri River there. But it's nice area. There's a lot of boating and fishing going on there. It's not super deep, but I do know we haven't gone swimming in that lake, but I've been told that swimming is available. So yeah, I just wanted to share some of that. A couple of things that we did while we were there. In Mound City, there's a distillery called Our Farm that we've visited multiple times. We really enjoy it. So we went in there, had a cocktail, hung out for a little bit. And then on the way to the campground, there's actually a wildlife refuge area. I think it's called Les. We decided to take a little day trip, field trip, and we drove through there. It's a huge marshy area where there wasn't a lot going on when we were there. It depends on the time of year, but for the migratory birds, it's a place where they just flock to, literally. So you'll see, the big thing there is you'll see a ton of bald eagles as they go in there and they nest there in that area. All the migrating birds, waterfowl will stop off there. So if you go at the right time of the year, I think it would be a really cool place to stop off. And it is pretty big. It took us quite a while to, there's a little driving tour area, so we went in and drove around half of it, and it took a little while to get around that. The other thing that we did, so we visited Our Farm and the Nature Center. We went over to Falls City, Nebraska. Big Lake is right close to the Missouri River where it crosses over into Nebraska. So right across the river is Rouleau, Nebraska, and that's, just a few minutes drive from the state park. And then a little further down that highway is Falls City, Nebraska. And we went there in search of Little Sisters of Liberty statues. So if you don't know this story, back in the 80s, I believe, and my details may not be exactly correct, the Boy Scouts commissioned a project where they created replica statues of the Statue of Liberty. Not as tall, obviously, but they have been placed in different areas all around the Midwest. So you'll see them like at town squares or in front of schools. And there is a website that kind of lists a directory of them, although I'm not sure how accurate that is. But the friends that we're traveling with, they've kind of decided that they want to try to see as many of these statues as they can. So we drove over to Falls City, Nebraska, and right there on the front lawn of the courthouse was Lady Liberty. So we got some good photos, got to see that. We drove around the town a little bit, visited the local Ace Hardware for a couple of supplies, and picked up a Runza sandwich on our way out of town. So that was a cool little day trip as well. But the camping itself was excellent. If you're looking for a nice campground in the northern Missouri, northwest Missouri area, I highly recommend Big Lake State Park. There is a boat ramp there if you've got a boat and you want to get out and run up and down the river, maybe do some fishing, or the lake, I should say. Maybe do some fishing. You can put your boat in the water there. So again, we really enjoyed it. Just wanted to share that with you. It's a great campground. Hopefully we'll see you there one of these days. Until then, happy camping. We'll see you later. Sweet corn in a box.